Hi guys, if you like our Kerala series, please do like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more content. Thank you.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel Hodgepodge and welcome to our new vlog. So today we are at Alleppey. Merry Christmas!
We had booked a stay in Alleppey to enjoy the scenic backwater of Kerala only for a day on the 25th of December. The houseboat was a deluxe private one having 4 rooms and it was booked from DTPC or Kerala Tourism. We would leave the number below in the comment section for you guys. It had costed us around 42,000 and we visited during the peak season. The boat room rates are completely dependent on seasons and it varies. The rooms were pretty well equipped with air conditioners and private washrooms. There are various types of houseboats. Based on your requirement, you can book one. There are houseboats which has like only 1 room or 2 rooms. We had 8 people, so we wanted a houseboat which had 4 rooms. Houseboat package included a day trip, an overnight stay and complimentary lunch, evening tea, snacks and dinner. The lunch was really good and it had rice, roti, dal, salad, 2 vegetable curries, sea fish grill, chicken fry and curd. The houseboat had an internal kitchen and all our meals were prepared there. The owner of the houseboat had provided 3 people. One was the captain of the boat, second who was the cook and third person who was taking care of all the servings and cleanings. They were taking pretty good care of us. The backwaters of Alleppey, Kerala are a network of serene lagoons, canals and lakes, forming an intricate and beautiful waterway. Known as the Venice of East, this region is famous for its tranquil environment, lush greenery and traditional houseboats. Floating leisurely through the waterways, these cruises offer a glimpse into local life, traditional Kerala cuisine and stunning landscapes. The backwaters are surrounded by paddy fields, coconut groves and small villages offering picturesque view. The area is home to various species of birds, making it a paradise for bird watchers. The backwaters provide an opportunity to experience the traditional lifestyle, fishing and choir making practices of the local communities. Alleppey is a must visit for those seeking a peaceful, immersive experience in Kerala's natural beauty and cultural richness. After soaking in the mesmerizing beauty of the backwaters from the houseboat, we decided to get grooving to celebrate Christmas with our family. The houseboat also offers you a variety of activities like sightseeing using a speedboat, kayaking and bird watching. The sunset over the Kerala backwaters is a serene and picturesque scene, featuring calm waters that reflect the vibrant hues of orange, pink and purple, creating a tranquil ambience that highlights the natural beauty of the region.